Are you facing challenges in developing your leaders and sharing critical knowledge within your organization? Organizations everywhere are grappling with a harsh workplace reality. Experienced staff are retiring, and new leaders are often promoted faster than they can be adequately developed. Managers genuinely want to help their teams grow, but they rarely have the time to mentor everyone individually, leading to critical knowledge living in just a few people's heads. So what's the go-to solution? Often, organizations turn to external leadership programs. These programs are costly, with an average price around $6,000 per person, meaning usually only a handful of employees can attend. Even when employees return, the training often doesn't translate across the organization, as employees have varied career stages and unique development needs. Another common approach is hiring expensive consultants to build a custom development program. Projects like this can cost $50,000 or more, and often take months, sometimes even a year, to complete. Organizations continuously debate these limited options: expensive external training, huge consultant fees, or trying to build something internally without a clear structure. None of these options scale well. Meanwhile, the specialized expertise your organization needs already exists inside your workforce, full of experience, lessons, and advice. But how do you tap into that internal wealth of knowledge? The answer lies in well-designed mentoring programs. Mentoring programs provide a clear structure that helps employees learn from each other, ensuring that valuable knowledge spreads effectively. They accelerate leadership development, spread institutional knowledge across teams, and help build trust and loyalty within your organization. EM Wellness offers a practical path forward: the Mentor Program Design Workshop. This virtual workshop helps organizations design and launch their own tailored mentoring programs internally. Training leaders, HR professionals, and program leads join virtually for a highly interactive session focused on practical implementation. By the end of the workshop, participants leave with expert guidance, a draft program plan, real-world examples, and a clear structure for building a successful mentoring program inside their organization. Choose the solution that scales and leverages your best internal resource, your people. Develop more employees, share knowledge, and foster growth year after year. To learn more about the Mentor Program Design Workshop, visit emwellness.org/Mentor Design Workshop today.